welcome to Living the Dream Garage 2.0 on YouTube. It's been a few days since we've made any content. We've been basically catching up on this little 60 Ford. We've gotten to a point where we've had to start fitting the floor on the bed, and it's an aluminum style drop-in floor, but previously, before it came to us, the frame had been built, and I hate to say it, but the other people did not order this correct, and so we're having to catch up on it. And we've got some of the cross ties. We've got the cross ties installed, and we're dummying up a lot of the floor. There was so much there going on with having to put it together, take it apart, figure this, figure that, cut this metal. There was a lot going on that we did not show it because it was just so little things that just wasn't gonna work with the camera going, because it was taking two of us. And so where we're at is basically what you see is we're getting it dummied up, and it'll be in this state when it goes to paint. They're going to take care of the rest, but the floor, this will be there, and then they'll take it out, put it back in. But we're making it to where that's able to be done, and we've got other parts ordered to repair this floor. We're having to close these gaps up with new pieces, recut them and all. This is the way it had came for a factory 1960 Ford bed, stock bed, and they had raised the bed. That's just me catching up you guys to what we're doing. And so we've got parts ordered, and we did not want to. It was going to be hard for us to film this type of work right now, and we hate it, but we weren't able to do it. We're about ready to where we can start filming some of it, but we wanted to come on and explain to everyone. Thank everyone that has subscribed, and we're trying to get caught up with this thing because it won't be long. It'll be having to leave. It'll be a minute, but we have to get certain things done, and we want to thank everyone that's hanging in there, subscribed, all the new subscribers, all the original subscribers, everybody that watches, everybody. Please like, share, comment. We love some comments. If you like it, if you don't, either way. But thank everyone, and we want to especially thank Benchmark Abrasives, first off, right out of the box, helping us with everything that they do. Benchmark Abrasives, if you need anything, check them out. You got a 10% code, 10% off code through our name, LVD10. At checkout, give you a 10% discount on everything, which that works. I mean, that helps a lot. And also like to thank a new company that's starting to help us is Fast Flange, Mr. Kiefert. Thank you, and we look forward to getting all the correct fasteners and actually matching fasteners for once, and getting them put on some of these projects. Thank you, sir, for coming on and helping us. We appreciate everything that is coming this way, and want to thank everyone, and everyone have a blessed night, and please like, share, subscribe, do all the cool stuff, and we'll hopefully see you tomorrow. Thank you, and have a good night.